about you, but I try to avoid using bleach when cleaning, but when it comes to my moldy grout lines, I'm tempted to reach for the bleach. But did you know that bleach actually doesn't kill mold, it only bleaches or whitens it? Not to mention it's highly toxic. In today's video, I'm showing you a non-toxic way to kill mold and freshen up those grout lines. And you probably have these products sitting in your kitchen right now. Before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let's get started. So what are these products, you ask? Drum roll please. Vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar helps to kill mold because of its acidity, and baking soda absorbs moisture and deodorizes. Together, these two products are a powerhouse and will kill 100% of mold species. You can also use this solution to clean the grout lines on your tile floors. For this method, you're going to need a spray bottle with equal parts water and distilled white vinegar, baking soda, a hard bristle scrub brush or two, and your hands. Links to these products are in the description box below. Start by spraying your water and vinegar solution liberally on the grout lines, then sprinkle the baking soda over the top. With your hands, smear the baking soda into the grout lines, adding more baking soda as needed. You should work towards the consistency of toothpaste. You can also use gloves here or combine all of the ingredients into a bowl and apply with a toothbrush, but I found that my hands were much more effective. Once you have all of your grout covered, go ahead and give the whole area another spritz of the vinegar solution. This is where it really starts to fizzle and feels so satisfying. Let the solution sit for at least 30 minutes. If you have a really bad case of mold and mildew, you may want to let it sit a little longer. Once the time is up, grab your brushes and start to scrub. The amount of elbow grease required will depend on the severity of the mold issue. When you feel like you have scrubbed away all of that mold and mildew, give it a good rinse with water and voila, grout that looks like new. I hope this method works on all of your dirty grout problems. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and you can check out some of my other natural miracle cleaners below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.